It's not too bad. Got it on second. What's wrong?
Is that where it goes?
Is that where what goes?
Does it go under?
What are you talking about?
This part.
It goes right there.
Okay. I was having
What's the...
breakfast time. Brian made some bacon in the electric skillet, and then the eggs, and then the Walmart frozen biscuits that are absolutely delicious. I'll have to show you the bag. Made those in the convection oven. Yum. And it's nice and sunny today too. You're cutting it? Why don't you just pick it up and eat it?
Yeah, just rip it apart with your fingers, babe.
That's hot.
It is hot.
Did I put a fork on his plate?
No.
Does he need a fork?
I don't know.
Vector loves when we have eggs because he gets to clean up what the kids don't eat.
I see you've taken over Ben's bed. What did you draw?
A daddy baby.
Is that your daddy?
It's a daddy baby.
I like his glasses. Did you take over Ben's bed in here? You're so silly. Alrighty, so I moved Ben's drawers over there thinking that might be a better fit, but I really don't like it because it sticks out here and I don't like that. And then all this stuff just gets thrown in back here and I really don't like that. So I'm going to pull the toy box out and their shoes and the bean bag and put the white dresser on this side. It was on the other side of his bed. And see if I like that better, and then just pull the shoes and the toy box back out again. Alrighty, well, I moved it back. I like it. It's good. Now the littles are both in here. Put Brooke's bed back together with all her babies. So she's all set. And then they're down here. And I gotta find a place to put the costumes for the next couple weeks or so. And then I have to reorganize Tara's bed and everything. Maybe I'll see if she can do that before we head out today. Ben, what are you playing?
Hey, blue one. Blue one.
It is a blue one. Alrighty, what are you doing, honey?
I am pulling something up on Reddit to show Aaron. But I am cleaning the dishes because we're gonna. Have you told him yet? We're actually, instead of driving like super long tomorrow, like 300 miles tomorrow, we're gonna go ahead and break it up. We're gonna drive a little over half of it today. We're gonna leave at 3 o'clock and hopefully get to, I guess, a Walmart somewhere in Maryland before dark, and then we'll be getting to our next campground. I guess a little afternoon. We're rolling in on a Sunday, so that's, you know, mainly the day that the weekenders are rolling out. So if we get there a little after checkout, we should have pick of some pretty good spots. So we're gonna be there for 11 days. So we want to get a good spot. If we can't get one, then, you know, we'll move while we're there after a day or two. So I found this on Reddit last night and it's hilarious. And Erin just laughed her butt off because she's a nerd too. So I hope this shows up on screen. If not, I'll get a screenshot and throw it in.
It's kind of clear. It says world's longest interview.
Yeah. I'll throw it up over top of the video. We think it's hilarious.
It's really good.
And that's on the Graham Norton show, which I don't know if you've all have ever seen the Graham Norton show or not. Look for clips of it on YouTube. It looks like probably one of the best interview shows ever.
They're still sitting in here together. It's pretty awesome.
They're sweet every once in a while.
What'd you say?
So they're pretty sweet on each other every once in a while. It's Tara that's the problem.
Oh no! So it's moving day again for us. Brian has taken the kids to the playground here at the campground, and I'm doing a little bit of fall cleaning while I pack up for us to get ready for moving day. It's kind of nice to have the whole rig to myself because I can put the essential oil that I like in here. I like the lemongrass a lot, so, but Brian doesn't like it, so I can put that on while he's not here. I can clean some things that have just been piling up and consolidate some of the food and the snacks so we aren't taking up as much room. And I can do that pretty quickly when I'm not having the little ones underfoot or Tara asking me to do things. So I'm doing that while they're at the playground to get their wiggles out.
So this is my view from inside when we're hooking up. Let's see if I can do this. Yep. So Aaron just waves at me on the camera. Lets me know to keep coming and to stop. So I'm off center. So now we go forward. And we try it again. And the fewer fingers she's waggling at me, the slower I go. So she gives me the stop. Now we run it down. Let's zoom in a little bit. Boop. Get to watch it go down on the ball. Super exciting, and then it'll pop down in just a second. There we go, I can see it moving. And we're good. So now she's gonna do the lock. And once that lock is in there, I go ahead and put it in park, and then I hop out and do my side. So not too bad. Got it on second. What's wrong?
Is that where it goes?
Is that where what goes?
Does it go under?
What are you talking about?
This part.
It goes right there.
Okay. I was having
What's the... If it's not in the right place, that pin won't go through.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
100 times and...
Yeah, it's just one of those things where you're just like, you see it so much, you kind of take it for granted.
I went in too easily.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we hook up the bars.
Did you say you were able to get me on the rear view?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, there's a lot of glare, but we'll see.
Okay.
And then Ben's play pad was really loud, but we'll see.
Baby Shark?
No, just that doo 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 doo. Yeah.
That's nice.
Give me that. Stealing my stuff.
Sorry.
All right, so now bars. Oh, another tip for hooking these things up. I turn my headlights and running lights on. Truck's running right now. So when I plug this in, I can just look back at the side. And if the running lights are on, I know that I have a positive connection.
This campground is a little tight. So we are going to back up. You can see we're kind of tight here. There's another one there. There's a car on the other side. And so we're just going to back in to these non-sewer sites that were behind us and get ourselves right, and then just go out this way, and then we'll hit the dumpsters on the way out. So grateful that this was open behind us, otherwise I'm not sure how we would get out. We're gonna help navigate Brian back so he doesn't hit the pole or the truck. He can see the truck and I can see the pole, so we're good to go. Here he comes. Thank goodness for that extra space, huh? You're pulling out. Tires looked a little low on one side to me.
Good Lord. Why would they both be that low?
I don't know. What is this?
This is the best air compressor I have ever encountered in my life. It's the Viair like 400 RV or something. And this thing will go 120 PSI. And the thing I like about it is it's not crazy loud. It's not filling a tank with air. It's just compressing the hose, and then it just runs as needed when I'm filling up the air. And it comes with two really, really long hoses.
This is the really long 2 hoses, so you can do it while you're still hooked up. This takes a long time.
Yes.
I wonder why they were so low. These are the new tires.
Yeah, like 2 weeks.
Has it only been 2 weeks? Oh my goodness.
It was when we were coming down out of Maine, we stopped.
Yeah. Is it getting close?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're at 74.
Okay.
So
Yes.
if there's a leak, it's a super slow one.
And it's on both tires. Were both tires around the same pressure?
Yeah.
I wonder if they did them wrong. when we got them. There we go.
Just shy of 80, and then a little bit will pop out while I'm unscrewing that.
What did you just say?
I can hear air coming out of the valve stem.
That one too?
Yeah.
That's not supposed to be like that, right?
So these were the first two that they did.
Yes.
Yeah, they did this side first. I didn't see if like one guy did this side and the other guy did the other side.
I think they did different
Maybe he
things.
installed the valve stems incorrectly or something.
I don't know.
I don't hear anything now.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, check these while we got the stuff out.
Yep.
There's just like 2 or 3 down.
Normal, what you would expect it to be. Okay. Splatter paint on them. It's a lovely design on the tire you have there. Okay, that one looks good too then, yeah?
Yeah, nowhere
Okay.
near the other side.
Awesome.
No sound, no nothing.
I'll have to check those tomorrow morning, the other side tomorrow morning again. The ride is always more enjoyable when both of the littles are asleep.
That's one advantage to leaving in the middle of the day or in the early afternoon is around nap time. So Ben almost always falls asleep on these drives when we leave in the afternoon. Brooke's hit or miss. She's been kind of tired lately. A lot of sniffling and uncomfortableness lately. I think they're getting, I don't know if it's the weather turning or what, but they're getting a little funky. It's Erin's favorite bridge again.
Yay!
How's she doing this time?
I'm okay.
You okay?
I'm alright. Ben was very cute. He saw the like towers, whatever
yeah.
they're called, and he goes, "It's a castle."
Yeah.
Is it a castle, buddy? Where'd the castle go?
Where's
It's
the
right
castle?
there.
It's right ahead of us. Lord, why is it so skinny?
It's very skinny. We're tight through here. Easy fast go. Super tight.
Holy mother.
Shoom! Let's
Why
go.
in the world? Alrighty, we're in Maryland.
Yay! So we drove to the Walmart in Severn. It's near BWI.
It's very loud here.
Planes are flying right over top of this Walmart.
But luckily
it's a
our
nice Walmart, though.
children sleep through anything.
Yes,
so we're
thank
good.
goodness for that. Yeah, Chick-fil-A's across the street. We need to see if we can find a safe way to cross.
Yeah.
For Chick-fil-A, there was one within walking distance of the Walmart that we parked at, and the kids are playing. Brian and I are going to have like a mini date night while they play right there. It's okay, we can see them. We're going to have an adult conversation that isn't interrupted, and then we'll get the kids out here to eat their food.
They saw the food.
Now they're eating.
They were all hungry, but they came out of their own accord, which was quite strange actually.
Significant.
I guess they were hungry. But this is like the perfect stop. This is a perfect stop for staying at a Walmart tonight because we'll just hang out here until they're done with the playground and they'll just wear themselves out. It's cold tonight.
It's chilly tonight. We're staying in Walmart. We have blankets. We have warm pajamas. Everybody will be fine. And we'll get up early tomorrow and head south. We'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Visit us at 5togo.com and check out our Patreon page at patreon.com/5togo. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, Tara. Oh.